Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace the brake light on a 2012 Kia Soul. Begin by opening the trunk and removing the trunk liner fasteners to expose the taillight assembly. Disconnect the battery negative terminal to avoid shorts. Keep track of screws and clips in a small tray or magnetic dish. Handle the bulb by the base and avoid touching the glass to prevent early failure and ensure safe reassembly. With the liner removed, locate and remove the nuts securing the taillight assembly to the body. Pull the assembly straight back while guiding the wiring out of the opening to prevent paint damage. Place the assembly on a soft surface to avoid scratches. Press the harness tab and disconnect it from the bulb holder. Inspect the wiring and socket for corrosion or melting before proceeding to the bulb swap. Twist the bulb socket counterclockwise and remove it from the taillight housing, then pull the old bulb straight out. Insert the new bulb by the plastic base to avoid oils on the glass and rotate the socket back into place until it locks. Reconnect the wiring harness and temporarily reconnect the battery negative terminal to test the brake light by pressing the brake pedal or having a helper check. Secure everything.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.